Howdy YouTubers, welcome back. This one's just a little quick video to thank a viewer for some viewer mail. After watching the horizontal mill being sort of brought into the workshop, kind viewer, he only wants to be known as Pete from Kent, so thanks Pete. He's actually donated some cutters for the horizontal mill. Now I'll show you the cutters in a second. He didn't know what size of spindle I've got with the mill, so he sent a variation. Luckily I did get a couple of different sizes, and as you'll see in a minute, these cutters are, most of them haven't even been used, so I'll show you those now. So there we go, fantastic gift here from Pete in Kent. A few different cutters. As you can see, most of these are still in the wax protection, never even been used, and I think the ones that aren't in the wax, I think may have been used once. There could be a surface rust on that, that'll soon clean up. Actually I think it's just more oil and grime, to be honest. Yeah, you can see the bit of oily and grime. I think it might have just been out of shot, it's not even rust. And so I think the ones that aren't even in wax, I'll be honest with you, I don't think they've even been used, maybe once, that's all. So yeah, good selection. These ones, I can pick them up. These ones are actually still, three of them stuck together because the one in the middle's covered in wax. I think they've just sort of stuck, so I'll get those apart. So yeah, good selection there, different sizes, you know, unbelievable. Like I said, there's different size spindles which I have got a selection with the mill, so fantastic. Thank you Pete. There we go. I just cannot thank Pete enough. Actually fantastic donation. I'm just over the moon with them. So it's started a nice collection for the horizontals. I can do some work on that and do use some videos as well. Much appreciated Pete, thank you so much for that. I'll always be in your debt, so thank you very much. So yeah, a little quick update on the workshop. We're in a bit of a change. I know we've done some videos showing what we're doing. Well, slight bit of a change. Extension's still there, we've not built any more extensions, but a bit of a change around to give us a bit more area for working, a bit of a better space. It's surprising, just a bit of a change. I had a sort of one of those 3 o'clock in the morning moments where I just thought, hang on a minute. So a bit of a change around. I had a few weeks of just constant, just moving, been one of those sliding puzzles when you were a kid. Been doing that and moving stuff about, just about getting settled. You might be able to hear a slight echo to what we're saying. That's part of what it is. It's actually opened up a big space for me, a workspace, which once I get settled and things were somewhere near, I'll show you those. So yeah, so brilliant. So some viewer mail there from Pete, thank you so much. As always YouTubers, any questions, anything at all, just put them down below, we'll do our best to answer them. And until next time, it'll be right.